Hello, Nana. This is Taylor Martin, Internet Sales Manager with Green Buick GMC, located here in Davenport, Iowa. And this is your personalized video of a 2004 Chevrolet 3/4 ton truck chassis. Now what we're doing is giving you a nice panoramic view of this amazing vehicle. You can see everything from head to toe here as well. As you can see here for yourself. Nice view. Nice angle here for you as well, as you can see. Come back down here and look at the front wheel well as well. Nice picture. Get inside here as well, as you can see. I'm going to show you the view here as well for you, inside the cab area. And as you can notice that there's some grime here. This vehicle has not been detailed, but upon delivery, or I should say upon purchase and delivery, it will be detailed in its entirety. Okay? I'm going to show you everything that we have here. There you go. As you can see. Windows are functional. See here. And rolling it back up as well. Let's get a nice look down here for you. As you can see. Get you all angles here for you. Okay. Let's back up here and show you. Go to the exhaust system here. See everything in its entirety. It's a nice angle here from the back. Now, as you notice in some of the pictures I did send to you, they are still pictures. It's a little difficult to pull the ramp out by myself, as you can see, but it is functional. Okay, here we are going to lock this. Trying to do this one hand here. And there we go. And there you are as well. See everything here in its entirety for you. Okay. So what I'm going to do is hop in for you. Just going to step here. And there you go. And you can see here we have a sliding door. Back to the cabin area. See everything in its entirety. So let's slide that back. Be a nice view. You can see the door there. So here we are. And you can see everything here for you. Now this does raise completely up. As you can see, I'll step down and show you that. It does raise completely up for you. There's the strap that I'm pulling. There we go here. Release. And there you go. So we'll step in this awesome piece of machinery and show you what we see here. As you can see, it is unleaded fuel only. Let's see that for you. There you go. So let's open it up. And you can guys see everything at this angle as well. So it was raining here in Davenport, Iowa. Okay. Here are the keys. Let's see. There's ignition. And you can see everything here as well. And you can see the exact mileage here. 150,638 miles. And you can see the turn signal. Horn works as well. Bunch of wipers work. Okay. And we have our vents. Let's turn this. Making everything blowing. Nice and cold there. You have warm temperatures, cool and warm. Let's turn it back on so you can hear the low and the different speeds here and high. Let's check out the radio.
I'm Barack Obama, candidate for president, and I approve this message. Paid for
And we have our
for America.
balance here. You see that right there as well. Left and right. You hear the difference. And there you go there. See the difference. See if we can hear it. See if everything's functional. Okay. And we'll go to the bass here. And you can see the difference in that as it's going down. Hear the difference in tone. Let me turn it up for you. Here's the difference there. It goes up to a 7, so we'll put this at 5. Treble. Hear the difference in that. And it goes up to 7, so we'll hear that as well. And let's turn it up, see how it sounds. Pretty nice. And then you have your tow haul mode here as well for you. And your lights, as you can see, they're on. See it on the dash here. So we have it auto, so we're going to turn it on. Turn lights on. I'll show you that as well. Okay. The windows here, here's the lever. The windows do work. Okay. Let's open it up. And let's open up the hood. As you can see that right here. Putting that, so we'll open that up. And as you can see, the lights are on. Those are functional as well. So let's lever here. See this? Pointing at this angle. And pull that down. Okay. There's our stand here. Pull that up. And here we are. Everything in its entirety. Like I said, all this will be detailed upon purchase and delivery. Give a nice backup view for you. There you are. Let's see, all the lights are on right now. Let's go around to the back side as well and show you that. Everything is functional. Now you can see the lights on in their entirety here, as you can see. And there you are. 3/4 ton. So let's go and close this hood down. And there's that lever there for this. Going to try it. So we'll do this with one hand. There we are. There. Nana, my name is Taylor Martin, Internet Sales Manager with Green Buick GMC, located here in Davenport, Iowa. And this is your personalized video of your 2004 Chevrolet 3/4 ton truck chassis. This is the Express. You have a fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.